In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your mobile screen to OBS Studio, stream a Ludo King match live on YouTube, and set up simple monetization options during your broadcast. To begin, make sure your phone is ready to share its screen with your computer. Open your preferred mobile screen mirroring or capture methods. Then connect your device to your PC so the phone display appears clearly inside OBS Studio. Once OBS is open, check that your phone screen fits properly in the preview window. You want viewers to see the game clearly without black bars covering important parts of the screen. If needed, adjust the source size and position so everything looks clean and centered. It's also a good idea to test your audio before going live, especially if you plan to speak during the match. A quick check now can save you from technical issues later. Next, open Ludo King on your phone and select the pass and play or offline two-player mode. This is the mode that works best for creating a local match you can control and showcase on stream. Once the game is loaded, make sure the board and player areas are fully visible in OBS. Since this is a mobile game, clarity matters. If text or pieces look too small, consider resizing the mirrored screen in OBS so your audience can follow the action more easily. After that, start your YouTube live broadcast. Before you begin the stream, confirm that your title, thumbnail, and stream settings are ready. When you go live, keep your commentary engaging and easy to follow. Describe the moves, react naturally to lucky rolls, and explain what's happening for viewers who may be unfamiliar with the game. A conversational tone works best here. Try to keep your energy steady and positive, because live commentary is a big part of what keeps people watching. Finally, set up your monetization approach during the live stream. Super chats can encourage real-time interaction by letting viewers support the stream while highlighting their messages. Channel memberships can be useful if you want to build a returning community around your content. You can also include affiliate links in the video description for any relevant tools.